Is that a seesaw?
Yeah, I still got my seesaw.
All right.
But I want to keep it.
Hello. Where are we?
In the Jeep.
Hell yeah, we're in the Jeep. Let's hope it starts. Want to see if it starts?
And see what was out there.
All right. Still works, just barely. Oh,
America in search of inspiration.
that is not sounding good. Well, we've got everything we need for another tree harvest. Let's go back to where it all started and go back to the same place and get the same kind of tree.
And go to the wetlands.
And go to the wetlands where we're allowed, we got permission to dig up 2 trees.
Two trees?
Invasive Norway Maples, right? We're gonna see if we can get this one on the ground, okay?
Yes.
Let's do it. I think we can park there. Man, I think that Jeep is on its last leg. What do you think? That doesn't sound good. Gonna have to ask Nigel. Nigel knows about cars. He can tell us what to do. A little bit of deja vu. What do you think? Are we gonna get it? What do you think? Are we gonna get it? You think so?
Get all our tools out before we dig under the thing.
Let's get a look at this thing. I don't know why I want it, but I want it.
But
Crazy.
yeah.
It used to be a big round stump and somebody's hacked it to death, but it's still alive. Let's give it a shot. See what we can do.
Snipper. What?
Look at the size of that trunk. See, they tried to cut it down. They didn't cut it down enough.
What? Whoa! Nice one! Did you like my boat?
Love it. That guy. Talk about the tip of the fucking iceberg. Look at this thing. It must be every bit 12 inches across. I just had to saw and completely destroy my pole saw to get this huge root out. But it's looking like there might be a light at the end of the tunnel here. God damn. So close.
Look at it!
Wow. When we're at home. Right? Yeah, right now.
We can't go home now. You gotta wait for that.
Gas or something, honey.
Huh?
It smells gas.
Yeah, that's the Jeep.
Gas?
Leaking all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
Hey! Let's go.
All right.
Got it?
More or
Where are
less.
you guys gonna go?
We're gonna go home pretty soon.
Ow!
Oh, are you alright?
Got it. Look at the dirt. I'll keep all the dirt on it.
Boys, I think we're gonna head back.
Okay, I'm gonna go with you.
You gonna walk with them? All right. I'm coming back. Just holy shit. It's never easy, is it? Well, we'll see if that's good enough roots. I don't think any of these roots are from this tree. Oh, maybe they are. Certainly those, maybe. Who knows? Bye, guys.
Bye.
Remember, kids, always leave things the way you found them. Well, that's one less invasive Norway maple in the swamp. My son ditched me for the mother. No, it's actually awesome. All right, so you know the drill. Got some floor dry, perlite, some sphagnum peat moss. Oh, it's gonna kill me. Oh. Yeah, I'd say it fits enough. It's a little snug. It's a little snug. Whatever. Perlite is nasty stuff. I honestly don't know if that's from this tree or not. Some dirt in there too. So the last time I collected one of these, I took the vigorous things down to just one internode. So in other words, I cut it there or something. What happened was it just stayed vigorous, shot out an equally thick and straight shoot that went up about that high as well. So this time, I'm just gonna take off the more vigorous ones altogether and let these kind of do what they do. In my other tree, these stayed small and the leaves stayed small as well. So I'm thinking, just as an experiment, get rid of the most vigorous things and maybe the tree will just sustain itself on this finer branching. But we shall see. Get out of there. Go. One down. Let's get rid of this one too. Hiya! That's dead. That one's dead right there. Oh, it sure is, isn't it? Fuck you. And this guy. Oh, that's crude. So now I'm left with a stump and a bunch of little spaghettis. Which is fine, right? It's fine. And then a big old thick trunk underneath there that I buried. So I'm gonna bag this up. We'll see if it lives. I guess that's it. Enjoy the apocalypse. Cheers. Whew.